My husband is the one that actually first introduced me to beef tallow, okay? He said, it's very good for your face. And I said, on your face? This one is amazing. So glad that I'm using this one. It's very smooth. It's very usable. Super, super rich. Such a difference to other brands that I've tried. Very rich. I don't have to dig my fingers in here to use it, to get it out. This one is soft and creamy. For me, the scents I can't really do. This is unscented. It didn't irritate me. It didn't make me break out at all. It actually was a huge difference over the other ones that I've used. For me, I'm going to use this on my hands for dry patches. You could even put it on your lips if those are chapped, but no need to switch products. You can use this on your hands, on your face, on your lips. Very nice. Grass-fed tallow and honey. This has honey in it. Keeps it so simple and actually nourishing instead of a long ingredient list. A tiny amount goes such a long way. So you're not scooping out half the jar. It's just, it feels like one of those old school skincare secrets that somehow still beats modern stuff. Really impressed. Love it. So I like this a lot. Dry skin. That's it. That's it. Highly recommend this whipped tallow honey balm. This review is sponsored by the brand.